videos in your news feeds before about a fire being started in a car from a bottle of water. So we looked it up to see how it could be possible, and which according to lots of sites, it is possible. And then we watched some videos to learn how to start a fire with a bottle of water. So we went out and we gave it a try, and we tried, and we tried, and we tried some more. I didn't include or count all the times we tried to get it to work, but it doesn't matter because we couldn't get it to work. Now, we aren't trying to say it isn't possible because we've seen it on videos and we understand the concept. But in order for a fire to start in your car from a bottle of water, the conditions need to be perfect. The perfect angle, the perfect distance, the right amount of water in the bottle to refract the sunlight. So don't be too worried if you see a warning to take your water bottles out of your car. Or you can be safe and just cover them up.